State Park Steve, and we are back in the Biesbosch National Park in the Netherlands with part 2. We are at the island section where they have a museum, and there's apparently tons of bicycle routes here you can take, 20-30 kilometers, and yeah, let's go see if we can find the beaver.
Mensen deden dat al toen ze voor het eerst aan mijn oevers woonden. Dat principe zijn jullie bijna vergeten. Verborgen achter eeuwenlang aanleggen van polders en dijken. Gelukkig hebben jullie het opnieuw ontdekt. En dat is nodig. De opvallende aarde stuwt de zee steeds hoger, terwijl het weer onstuimiger wordt. Het ene moment volgen de rivieren die mij voeden over.
There's our beaver. A nice cafe with lots of goodies. It's a beautiful cafe. Okay, we're gonna go up on the roof. Check out the roof. This is the roof. Interesting, huh? An outdoor museum. I can see the water levels around the Biesbosch. The Biesbosch is the largest freshwater area in Europe. So it's more like a jungle here than other places because there's so much fresh water.
Dat getij van 2 keer 2 meter werd gesandwiched tot zo'n 30-40 centimeter, wat het nu nog steeds is. Dus we hebben nog steeds een uniek gebied, maar heel anders dan toen.
Okay, the boat ride was really cool, really fun. About 23 euros. You can get a discount if you have a museum card, 40%. And so the captain tells all about the area, about this Biesbosch, biggest freshwater area in Europe, and the birds and the beavers. Didn't see a beaver. Saw lots of birds. Eagle, yeah, sea eagle or something, and yeah, it was really fun. It's kind of like the Jungle Cruise, but the Netherlands version.